by Morris Columbus Travel.
Set sail on a magical river cruise and explore hidden gems along the way. Laura Murdoch is here to share why cruises are the best way to see the world. Welcome to the show, Laura.
Hi, welcome. Thanks for having me.
It's great to see you.
Excited to take Larry's place today.
Well, you know what? I'm wearing the Hawaiian shirt this time.
You are.
So in his honor, I'm wearing it. Okay, let's talk about all things river cruising. Why is this such a great way to see Europe?
I think it's a great way because you get to see a lot of different countries in a short period of time. It's a small, intimate experience, about 150 passengers, and you really get to know the countries.
Well, and I think when we picture a cruise, we think the big ships, but these ones are much smaller.
They are. Like I said, about 150, but I think of it as kind of like a floating hotel where you stop in a port along the day. You can get on and off the ship as much as you want, explore the little villages, go on a bike ride, get back on the ship.
The best way to see the world. That is so true. What kind of accommodations and schedules can we expect from a river cruise?
Well, there are quite a few different cruises in Europe. You can do the Rhine, like Amsterdam to Basel, or you could do the Danube, Munich to Hungary. There are even some that do like Paris and the beaches of Normandy.
Amazing, amazing. And are the rooms about all the same, or what can we choose?
They're very similar in size. I like a room with a balcony or even a French balcony where you can open a sliding glass door and watch the banks of the Europe
as you cruise by. I mean, that's the way you would want to do it, definitely, where you can kick back and just watch the cities as you relax with your book. Let's talk about your trip to Thailand. You just got back. I know that's one of Larry's favorite places too.
Yeah, I love Thailand. There is so much culture, and the beaches are amazing. It is really a great place to go.
It's really a great place. Why else is it a must visit?
You see lots of Buddhist temples, clear blue sand beaches, white.
You're painting the perfect picture. Oh, look at that. There's a picture right there.
But
I can see why you guys love it.
It's also pretty inexpensive once you get there.
Oh, okay. And can you have like a 5-star experience from what I'm hearing, but like on a budget?
You can. So you can book a 5-star hotel for the cost of what a 3-star hotel would be here in the United States. And a $10 hour massage, you can't beat it.
I mean, hey, yes, sign me up. Okay, why is booking with Morris Columbus Travel the best option? If someone hasn't booked with a travel agency and they're like, you know what, I'm a little nervous, I don't know how it works, why is it the best option?
So we know all the best deals, and most of our advisors have been to these destinations, so we know the best places to stay, and we've got relationships with vendors so we can give you the best possible deal on a trip.
You're the professionals in the industry. That's why we trust you. Now, where can we go for more information? What's the best way to book our trip?
So at morriscolumbus.com, or you can call any of our advisors at 800-999-4646.
Okay, amazing. Laura, thanks so much for all these tips. Great to see you.
Thanks for having me.